In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a 200 EMA, or exponential moving average, in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tutorial can help you understand how to effectively set up the EMA, a vital tool in your trading arsenal. Let's dive right in. First, the initial step you need to take is to open your chart on Tradingview. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Tradingview account and select the chart that you want to analyze. Now, to add the EMA, look towards the top of your screen and find the Indicators option. It's typically located on the toolbar. Alternatively, if you prefer using shortcuts, you can simply press the / key. This quick access helps you focus on your analysis without getting distracted. Once you click on Indicators, a search field will pop up. Here, you will want to type in EMA, or Exponential Moving Average. Tradingview provides a built-in EMA indicator, so when you see it in the search results, go ahead and select it. After doing this, you'll notice that a default EMA line appears on your chart. Usually, this default is set to a period of either 9 or 20. But for our purposes, we want to set it to 200, which is widely used by traders to identify longer-term trends. Now that you have an EMA on your chart, it's time to customize it to the 200 period. Look at the chart legend, which is typically located just below the symbol name on your screen. Here, you should see your new EMA, identified by something like EMA 9 or EMA 20, depending on the default. Right next to it, there will be a small gear icon. Clicking this will open up the settings for your EMA. Upon opening the settings, make sure you're on the Inputs tab. Here, you can adjust the length to 200 by simply clicking into the field and typing 200. It's crucial to leave the source as close to ensure that your EMA is calculated based on the closing prices of whatever asset you are analyzing. With this adjustment, you have successfully set your exponential moving average to a 200 period. But we're not done just yet. Let's make sure this EMA is visually distinguishable on your chart. Navigate over to the Style tab within the same settings window. Here, you can truly personalize the appearance of your EMA line. Feel free to pick a color that stands out to you, adjust the thickness, and choose whether you want the line to be dashed or solid. This customization step is all about making sure you can easily identify your EMA when glancing at your chart. Once you're satisfied with your color and style selections, go ahead and click OK to save and apply these changes. Your chart now features a 200 EMA, set and customized exactly to your liking, providing you with another layer of analytical depth for your trading activities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Tradingview experience.